the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8.
Hi, this is John Santiago from Pristine Stangs. We are in our hometown in Columbus, Georgia. We're at the car show at the Christmas for Kids 2020. Introducing Evan Alvarez, our social media officer, who's going to give us a tour about this car show. He will do a great job on this episode, and I hope that you will enjoy this car show. Thank you all.
Then we got a 1936 Ford pickup right here with pinstriping. A little bit of a two-tone action going on. Beautiful car. Then we got a Ford hot rod right here. Black with a little bit of red pinstripe. Red rims. And right next to it, we got a classic Nova. Not sure the year, but it's a very good, beautiful color. Then we got Elvis himself right here with the Cadillac. Red with a nice chrome. White walls. Very nice vehicle. Nothing beats the 50s, y'all. Remember that. Then we got a 1934 hot rod Ford right here. Low, nice stance, nice rims, Willwoods. Look at that, supercharger. That's one bad monster. Then we got a 1948 Mercury right here. Got some Fox Body 5.0 shoved in here. Nice little car. Pinstriping, halo. Nice little look on this car. Very pretty. It's finished with a black with a nice, beautiful Liberty interior. Custom done. Nice touch. Then we got a beautiful Chevy Bel Air right here. Very nice, very beautiful car. Over here we got another little hot rod from Ford. Yellow flames, red color. Beautiful car. Beautiful car.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Simmer down, pass a big smile around. Now that everything is gold, the children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. Christmas star, shine on. Look up in the December night, there is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all on this cold December night. There is one star shining bright, and it shines for you and me. Shine on, Christmas star, shine on, Christmas star, shine on, Christmas star.